Okay. It's a very busy boy. This is a big job you have to do, okay? So can you open it now? Okay, now Mommy needs you to pick a name, one piece of paper. And can Daddy read and tell Mommy what it says? And this is before, wait. Okay, wait. It's going to... Nancy! Oh, I didn't say what the winner is, but the winner number 1 gets, we'll put it on the sheet of paper right here. Nancy gets the 1 free Sunday Zumba Fitness. Yay! That's Nancy. Okay, winner number 2.
Can you pick some more paper?
Winner number 2 gets a free hula hoop, custom designed by Cindy and Ethan and Cam. You can even help Ethan. Can you tell Daddy what it says?
It says Chudo.
What does it say?
It said Chudo.
0.
It says Chudo. What does it say?
0.
Vero. Oh, that's Veronique. Can I see? Okay. Oh, I'll put it there. Look. Vero. She wins the second prize, which is a hula hoop. Yay!